Hi guys, Dr. Mo here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about building wealth. Yes, building wealth. We all understand the importance of building wealth. We all want to build wealth, and we all have a need to build wealth. Well, today I'm going to give you the simple steps to build wealth. First thing, we must always make money. You have to make money in order to build wealth. I know that there are some people out there that believe that you can't make money or that you possibly don't have any disposable income. Let's talk about just briefly, and in another video, I'll provide you with more resources in terms and steps in terms of identifying ways to make money. But there are two ways that we're going to focus on for the sake of this conversation. The one is we want to make sure that you have a good passive income or earned income stream. We definitely want to make sure you know the earned income streams are those monies that you actually secure by going to work and providing a service to an organization or to your own organization. But definitely those are the monies that you receive from going to work and earning them. The other passive income is the money that you actually receive as a result of an investment or residual income. That's income that's going to come every day or every so often based on sales. It could be based on previous work. It could be based on inheritance. Those type things are monies that you will receive as a result passive income. So those things will definitely come in. So you have your earned income and you have your passive income. Either income, it's very important to realize that you need more of it. You have to get more of it. And there are ways that you can get more of it. And I want you to start thinking about if you are by chance one of those people that are actually living your life and your lifestyle currently is afforded by what you make and you don't have a whole lot of extra money to actually save, then I want you to start thinking about things such as this. Think about things that you're good at, because those things that you're good at are things that you can potentially offer as a service to others. Another thing you could think about is things that you like to do. Maybe you're not as good at it, but you love doing certain things. Maybe you can definitely enhance your skill set as it pertains to the things that you really like to do, and definitely offer that. You know, those are things that you can start thinking about. You can definitely do that will afford you extra income. You can possibly think about working extra hours at work or possibly taking on an additional job. It all depends on what resources you have available to you, but there is a way that we can identify, or you should be able to identify, how you can generate additional revenue or earnings so that you can actually save more. So now that you have identified some quick ways to make money, and we will have additional ways in subsequent videos. I will give you elaborate videos on ways to make more money. But in addition to that, I want you to start thinking about, once you've made that money, you have to save money. You have to identify ways to save money. And even if you didn't identify additional ways to make money, I need for you to really consider looking at the money that you do make and identifying those wasteful habits that you may have that you possibly can make modifications to for the sake of actually saving money. So definitely take a look at some of the things that you may do. For instance, I love eating out. I love to eat out or at home, to be quite honest, but definitely I love to eat out. So I'm telling you, if you're a person that likes to eat out, maybe you need to take a look at your budget. And in fact, everyone should look at your budget. Take a look at your budget for the last 2 months. If you don't have that available to you, then start tracking your budget and your spending over the next month or two. And then identify those areas such as eating out, where you could actually modify. You could possibly eat at home, or you could definitely, if you can't eat at home, you can definitely identify a cheaper or more cost-effective way of getting nutrients. So definitely look at that. That's a huge way that I know I splurge a little bit, and I had the opportunity to look at my budget and say, hey, this is wasteful. I was able to quickly identify, cut this budget in half. And that may be the case for you. If the other way that you could definitely save money is by looking at your entertainment. Entertainment is huge. I like to go out and catch a movie when I can, hang out, grab a couple of drinks with some buddies, or do after work socials and happy hours when I can, go to different types of events and concerts and all of those things. They're great, and everyone should really have the opportunity to do those type things. But when you are on a mission to build wealth, you definitely want to identify every opportunity to save money and cut expenses. The great way here is you can take and look at how do you offload some of your outings by doing things at home, like a game playing games at home and inviting your friends over. Or possibly if you're a person that indulge with adult beverages at times, by all means have those drinks at home. If you like movies, try looking at some movies at home. I have done all of these things on my wealth building journey. So definitely, again, that's another way that you can identify money that you can save. And you can do well in that regard in terms of saving money that you already have access to, that you are purposely spending it in one area that you can refine and actually save. So definitely look at that. That's a huge savings there, or a huge amount of money that you can actually save. I can't tell you how much money that I recognize that I was spending and eating out, hanging out, going to events, all those things which are great, but we definitely have to fine tune them if you don't have surplus cash and excess cash, and you definitely are trying to build wealth. And then the third thing that you would want to do is invest the money that you have saved. Over a period of time, you're going to recognize that money has accumulated. And as it accumulates, you want to identify those opportunities for great investments. You can make the decision based on your desire and your needs, but definitely invest the money so that you can see larger return on your investment that's definitely greater than what you will receive if you put your money in a U.S. bank or a regular bank. I wouldn't say U.S. bank, but if you put your money in a bank, the amount of return that you currently get from a regular bank is very minimal. Definitely look for high interest type returns. Look at investments in terms of the stock market. Look at real estate investments, because they can be huge as well. But definitely you want to increase your return on your investment greater than that which you would receive from a bank or a lending institution, what have you. So definitely remember, it's not very difficult to build wealth. It just takes some strategy and some methods in place. First thing, you want to make sure that you're making enough money. You want to generate enough money. You can do that in multiple ways. You want to also make sure that after you've made the money, that you are saving the money. Once you have saved that money, you have that money and it's accumulating. At that point, you want to definitely invest your money. There you have it, guys. Building Wealth Made Simple by Dr. Mo. I hope this is very helpful for you. We'll have several different follow-up videos to provide insight as to how you can get some of these things accomplished. Please like, share this video.